Put my joint right. Get this joint nice and tight. Let's see here. Uh-oh. You ready?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, you gotta take this off, don't you?
What? Case? No.
This one put it on the bar.
It's just maybe.
Yeah. Alright, you get the face in there. GRX Academy. We're getting it cracking today. With Tommy. Tell him about your Tommy.
Oh, you live?
Yeah, you live. You gotta get to work now.
So
They get me in the suit today. Tell them what it is, Tommy.
Okay.
Where you at, Fernando? Why y'all hiding out? You live.
Oh.
Anybody who want to get into mocap and all the other cool stuff, virtual production, where you at, Greg? You prototyping the future. Say hello, all the way from France.
Who's connected right now? Who's live?
You're in the studio.
Alright, keep those.
So if you need some data, give us a shout for your Unreal projects or whatever you're shooting. All right, you getting ready to do it? Set it up. So all right, I'm gonna go to the middle. We're about to do some shooting.
There's a tractor.
Y'all check out my markers.
Yeah, I'm just getting these that are like over here.
Come on, man, get me right. See those? T-pose?
Yeah.
We're gonna start this way.
We got 57 190.
57.
There's one on the floor. 90.
Oh yeah, you gonna shoot Greg? Oh, there you go, Greg. Come on. Let's get it cracking.
Let's make it interesting.
Who?
Oh, there you go. See that?
How many you got?
There's on the Alton, put your right arm down. Oh, okay, you're good. Alright, it's that one. Alright, so it says we got.
And your calibration one might still be in here too.
No, I took it out. It says we got 56 markers.
You only have 54.
Yeah.
I must have too many.
Yeah.
You got too many markers right now. So we got to get the marker set right.
How do we find the extra?
We got to refine the marker set right now. Huh? So we're hunting down 2 or 3. How many?
How many more?
We're hunting down 2 additional markers.
Back.
You highlight it?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. I think it's in. Actually, I think we're good. No. Then it is shoulders, back, front.
Could it be reflecting?
No, it's
Under glasses.
Maybe. No, you have the head.
it's got to be behind you.
Yeah, I think
How many you
so.
got in the back? How many you got in the back?
2 on the side. We know he's.
Yes.
Wait, we do
You biceps.
those. That. Shoulders. Head, that.
You need to listen.
Maybe it's in the
So yeah, we're in the studio today.
Yeah, it's cool.
See, we're giving them to put them to the test right now.
The inner.
They got to track down too many markers.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, there you go. Boom. Found it? Y'all found them?
Yeah.
There you go. Now,
just gonna do this.
So we're doing some prepping for a project. We're going to release a new application called Art Beats and Tech, and we're going to have some really, really cool animated characters take you on a tour inside the application and implement some interactive AI tutorials, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So right now, we brought in today some of the team who went through GRX Immersive Academy, and here we make sure we provide mentorship and growth for everybody here coming through. What's he talking about? And we have apprenticeship going as well. So we're doing some R&D and some testing right now before we actually shoot in the coming weeks, making sure we got all the things we need.
So we're turning you into AI right now.
Who are you turning what now?
Turning you into AI.
Well, we're going to eventually put a 3D character on top of me, or the actor that we actually hire rather. I'm just doing the testing right now, so we'll have a series of 4 animated characters that you can choose from that'll be in the application. We're just doing some testing of the rig and the character, and we're testing the real-time workflow, so that way we can shoot all our cinematics and all the other things we need to tell the story outside of just the application. So,
All right. So we're setting up the suit. That was him walking around. So we are at 49 markers detected, 50. We have 54 and 54 detected.
Alrighty.
Those are the cameras.
Yeah, sit in the middle.
Cameras detecting, and this is him right now. Just a set of points.
Is he missing his head? There you go.
And the cameras.
He's good.
voila! Now we got action. See my mesh in there? Yeah. There you go. Now we good. So now once we record all this data, it'll be retargeted, and then they'll take it into Unreal Engine, and that's where the rest of the magic happens. All the storytelling, all the lighting, all the camera work, virtual cameras, all that other cool
All the
stuff.
sweetness, all
That's what
the aesthetic stuff. Right now it's very raw, but
There you go.
it will come together.
So now we can record some data, some animations.
All right, so
You can blow that up too. Make it turn down a little bit so they can see it. A little closer.
Just scroll in
There you go. See now,
okay.
you can see me. Boom. Yeah.
Nice and precise.
Y'all ready for that action movie? That's coming next. All right, you gonna get my face going, Tommy, with the live link?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So now we're gonna do the face. You can come around here and show them the face. Now we get ready to get the face cracking. Yeah, you can open up Unreal. We're gonna get the face cracking. So that way it'll take the animation from my face, what they call blend shapes. Yeah, and then we're gonna record that data and then put that on top of the character, the animated character. I think it's called 3. Right? That's the one you're working on?
Yeah.
Yeah, number 3.
Oh, I didn't realize
Yeah, well, that one he already rigged the face. He already set the face up for live link. So he's gonna set up a live link on the face. Remember the other day he set up a live link project in the settings for us?
Oh, like
Greg, remember? Yeah. So that it automatically launched for the virtual production when we did the virtual camera.
Yeah, because you got like the mannequin set up.
Now the cool thing I like to really get into as a filmmaker is when you break out the virtual camera. Let me show you how the virtual camera. Man, hold on, it's kind of crazy in here. So, you already bring out the V-cam? Oh, well, the V-cam is next. We just gave you a quick tour. So we're gonna end up rigging this up after we get all the animations shot. We're gonna rig up this rig right here. We're gonna add a monitor on here. We're gonna add a bunch of tracker markers and everything. So that way I have a virtual camera in 3D space. And then I can have a feel of a camera when I'm shooting, because as a filmmaker, right, I like to get that, you know, that sense of camera, right? My background is I started off in the Vogue 600, so I really love. One time we set it up with a real Steadicam operator, and you get that real nice fluid movement. But here we're gonna rig it with a monitor, feed that in, and then you even have the ability to bring in all your lenses and camera settings and all that other cool stuff. So that's when the other magic happens, and we'll document some of that process for people who might be interested in like virtual cinematography and camera directing. It's great for pre-visualization for your scenes and stuff like that. So we're gonna be doing some cool, fun stuff. Now that the GRX Immersive Academy is up and online, now I get a chance to get back in the studio and start having some fun, creating some new content.
Right.
All right, so he's doing the face right now. Set this up in live link.
All right.
Well, you want to explain?
Oh.
So what's going on right now?
Tell them
We're working on the face, right?
That we're like setting up the live link right now. So we're like shooting it from Motive, and we're gonna capture his movements onto the mannequin.
Okay.
Yeah.
The face kit isn't.
Oh, I was just
So we
trying to
got-
show you the face of the actor.
Yeah, but it's
have it.
not.
His face works only.
It does?
Yeah, this is his face.
I'm trying to find it right here.
Right there.
That's
Like,
digital Alton.
It should work, dude. You click his
I mean,
do you click his face?
it doesn't like. It's not separated. Like, it's just the body itself.
Oh, click on his face.
I mean,
Yeah, he
you
is. He
can-
is.
Oh, you know what? I think I think it's the other file.
The demo 4.
It's a different demo. So let's just run the mannequin for now.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, do you want to
That's
set
a
it up?
separate process.
Yep.
But I can still record the data.
Change of pilot.
Yeah, you can record the video out there.
Use it later?
Yeah. I recommend. Yeah, I recommend.
How you gonna do this?
Oh, yeah, you're right. They're now said that the mannequin animator doesn't work for that character.
No. I know we're not doing that. I'm talking about
You can
just
record
the AR kit. You can get it back in there later.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna do AR kit
You
today.
just gotta press the little record button.
Okay, whenever y'all ready, we can do that. Hey, what's going on?
Oh.
What is that?
Oh, what the heck? It's moving. I thought I saw it move. Whoa.
It's pretty cool what you can do now with an iPhone.
Oh.
Like I remember
Oh, no.
when I worked in this project called The March.
Oh, we figured out a way where he can move.
This company called Digital Domain that had these amazing
Yeah.
like facial
That's right,
rigs.
right.
I think they were using Faceware or one of the other proprietary companies. But just to see how far Unreal Engine has come with being able to
Is that
use an
right?
iPhone to
Help
get a
us out.
facial animation is pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So I mean, really no excuse now to be able to jump in.
It's pretty cheap now.
I mean,
Pretty
yeah, I mean,
democratized.
Unreal is free at the moment.
Preview.
They mentioned they were going to be charging like Adobe soon, so you might want to jump in while it's free and learn. And head on over to.
Excellent way to get in the industry. Learn Unreal.
Yeah. Unreal is really empowering tool to get your ideas out of your head, especially for storytellers, educators, all the above.
Maybe it's because there's 2 demos, huh?
It should be.
Because there's another one, not just
Yeah, the
Yeah,
second
the
demo?
second
Yeah,
one.
we can try the second demo.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's the second one. Sorry,
Yeah.
that's my fault. See, I done took him off the path. It's the demo too, because we cloned it when Greg came
Yeah,
back.
there's like different clones. This one?
The other
No.
one. That one. I think that one.
4?
No, it's 2.
But that has a 2 on it. Look. Demo 2.
Oh, okay.
4. Oh,
There's
dude,
one
there's so
on-
many 4s and 2s.
There you go. All right, signing out. I wanted y'all to see it when it comes to the engine though. Can I post this video too after it's finished?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. So we'll. Boom, voila. All right.
And then.
You can hide that character.
Oh.
There you go, Alton. Boom. setting it up. Oh, you gotta retarget it. Click this one. Not this one. And where is that retargeter? Oh, it's already on there. It's already on there. It's not moving. Does that have a live link control on the outside? Oh, yeah, you have animation. Oh, yeah, you need to add your controller live link. Skeleton animation. There you go.
Yeah.
Boom! Now see how I'm in there?
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey! See, now that's streaming live, real time into the engine.
And then can I hide
And you
these?
can put any character on there. Of course, it's got to be rigged to Epic Skeleton.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise, you can do something
I
called
guess
meta
I do,
humans,
like,
which we'll do
that,
next,
but,
which is
like,
really, really dope.
Yeah.
Where you can have characters,
the dude
make your own avatars, and all kind of cool stuff. So right now, we're just gonna record with the Epic mannequin,
and then
just to kind of get it going, and then take that data off later.
And retarget it on the character you want.
Yeah. There you go. Let them know, Greg.
Where someone is like moving around too fast or has an object
Yeah.
Wow.
Show that.
So yeah, if you're a filmmaker, you need some data, hit us in the DM, and you can connect with Fernando or Tommy to get you some data for your project, some animation. All right, or some,
All right.
or some camera moves. Tommy will put the rig on, shoot some dope camera moves, send it out to you. All right, so we'll see y'all later. Signing out. Have a good Friday.
Peace.